Hello, welcome. This is Blockchain Bloom, the blockchain educator. I'm Atla Pink, and in today's video, I'm going to talk about that according to Roll Poll, the institutional profit taking at the end of the year could be the main reason why the market is not going up like crazy as we thought a couple of months ago, because institutions have already a big share on the market. And this affects the price. The second thing I would like to talk about is what is wash sale rule, because if you trade cryptocurrencies, you don't have to follow in the United States this rule, and this could be also another reason why many people sell off their cryptos just before the end of the year. And the third news is all about that Iran is banning crypto mining until the 6th of March to save power. Guys, all this in today's video. And if you would like to stay up to date, the only thing you have to do is subscribe to this YouTube channel, Blockchain Bloom, because I'm bringing you the freshest cryptocurrency and blockchain news every weekday. Check out the links under this video and many useful ones. If you register with those links to those centralized exchanges, you will get a nice discount in transaction fees. And also there's a free course, how to start investing in Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies, with a lot of valuable information. And now it's time to looking at the market, where we can see that Bitcoin is right now at $47,897 US, which is about a 2.5% decrease in the last 24 hours. Ethereum about the same, 2.3% down, $3,811 US. When we're looking at the top gainers, we see SushiSwap going up 7%, and actually in the last 7 days, 62%. Not bad if you're looking at the other performers. Then we have Leo going up 6% and BitTorrent 4%. When we're looking at losers, then we see on the top, we see Icon 16% down, Aave 13% down, and Stacks going down 10%. So basically, not big drops, not crazy gains, just like in kind of average day. And when we're looking at the Bitcoin candlestick chart, I wanted to show you something, because look, this pattern, which is on the weekly for Bitcoin, could, and this is just a theory, right, could potentially become a head and shoulders. Where I can see this, if we are going up now here, back from here, but then we turn back and then we're going down. If this big, huge head and shoulders pattern happens, after a kind of little recovery, we could see in the first quarter in next year a more significant price drop. If this plays out, I'm not saying this is going to happen, but this is just a pattern to watch. On the other hand, when we looking at for instance, the 4-hour one, there we can see that Bitcoin it's going here continuously kind of sideways. Basically, we broke out of this channel. We went up here. We couldn't touch 53, and we turned back. And now we're staying on this, let's say 48,000 level. We have a couple of support here, as you can see, and then the next one could be like go down to 45. If you're looking at just step by step, this is again the important one, around 42,000, not breaking this one. And if we break above 53, that could make us bullish again. So again, we are between these now, going kind of sideways movements. Bitcoin hasn't really decided the direction yet. Okay, and now let's move on to the first topic. And the first topic is all about that Roll Poll believes that institutions have now finished the profit taking. It was one of the reasons why we had this price drop recently, now in December. When we look back in September, we had big hopes for the end of the year that December is going to be the month when actually things going crazy and going up, just like it happened back in 2017 or actually in 2013. But the game has changed a little bit, to be honest with you, because back in 2013 and 17, there were totally different players. And therefore, what Roll is saying kind of makes sense. Because back then, when we had the didn't have institutional investors, just the retail ones, they really FOMO'd in, and then the price dropped. Now institutions are into the game with bigger and bigger in percentage, and because they about to taking profits, company profits at the end of the year, this could cause a kind of sell-off. So Roll suggests that the profit taking by institutions was the likely reason for the recent Bitcoin sell-off, but that setting is likely done for now because today is the 29th of December, so we have just really 2 days to go, kind of to finish this year. And he said this in this interview, and Paul expects 2022 to begin with a strong start for crypto market as the capital from institutions get redeployed. So again, they should do something with it. They should invest, and crypto could be one of the investments. So therefore, he believes that actually the first quarter could be a great start, which actually totally makes sense. We don't know the future, obviously, but I'm looking forward to it. So let's see how things play out. Okay, the second thing I would like to talk about is this wash sale rule. So what is this exactly? So here's this article which shows cryptocurrency and the wash sale rule tax loophole that may soon go away. The wash sale rule is basically if you're buying an asset and if you sell it on a lower price, then of course you have your losses. And usually, as it goes with securities, you cannot really buy it back in 30 days just after it, avoiding this kind of wash sale. But with crypto, you can do it in the United States. I don't know how it goes in other countries, but there you can. Therefore, what's happening is that you can actually make your sale showing that you have your losses, so you're not in profit because of the price report we have right now, and then straight away buy it back on the same price, and then you're fine because this is your new purchase. You can do this with crypto. You cannot do this with securities. And the title goes like this because this kind of new regulations coming for crypto, and sooner or later they going to close this gate, and this won't be possible. But now, as far as I know, in the US, you still can do it, and this could be another reason why there is kind of a sell-off at the end of the year. Okay, and the third topic, let's move on to that. It's all about that Iran is banning crypto mining until the 6th of March because they have to save power. Iran is actually among the countries where you can really mine Bitcoin. It's not with the biggest percentage, but they do have some shares. If you're looking at the Bitcoin map, then you can see here. Where is that? Wait a sec. Here was Iran. There we go. 3.8%. So we had China here, the huge share. But since they ban crypto, it's none right now. The second biggest, United States, 35%. It became the second biggest, and then we have obviously here other countries. We have here Kazakhstan with 13%. We have here Russia with 13%, and one of them is here Iran with 3.8%. So it's not a huge one, but now. The topic is here that Iran banning crypto mining until the 6th of March to save power, according to this report. So it's the second time this year Iran has taken such a measure to reduce the strain on country's power grid. and the move will free up 209 megawatt of power for use by the country's households. So this is what will add to the household usage, and they do it because well, they simply looks like they just simply don't have enough power, and to get a bit more, this is one way to do it. Not allow Bitcoin mining. It's not forever. It's now they just want to save some power, and it will go until the 6th of March. But as I showed you, 3.8% mining is happening in Iran, so it's not a huge percentage, still a part of the game, but this is how it looks like over there. Okay, that's it for today. Guys, don't forget, subscribe to this YouTube channel and like this video if you like the content, because every weekday I'm bringing you the freshest cryptocurrency and blockchain news. I wish you an amazing day. I'm back tomorrow. Have a good one. Bye-bye.